You might have tried multiple Indian dishes, but there is a long list of unique recipes that are not served in any Indian restaurant. And this is one of those recipes. It's called Sabudana khichri, and here's how you can make it. You will need 1 cup of sabudana for this recipe. You might be surprised, but these are the same tapioca pearls you know as boba in the bubble tea. I have never found this in any Walmart around my home here in Canada, but most Indian stores sell them and those are the best places to get them. We will wash the sabudana and then soak it in a few cups of water for around an hour. This step will make the sabudana soft and as a result, it will be fluffy in the end. Make sure to remove any extra water that's left. After an hour, your sabudana is soft, so let's prepare the other ingredients. Take 1 potato, a small piece of ginger and 2 green chilies, which you can adjust according to your liking. Dice your potatoes into small cubes along with the green chilies and the ginger. Next, take 40 grams of peanuts, which we will roast for about a minute. The plan is to crush these peanuts for a slightly chunky taste. Indian culture has a tradition of fasting, and Sabudana khichdi is among the recipes you can consume during those days. All the ingredients I have used are fine for fasting, but if you are making it for the regular meal, you can add tomatoes, onions or any other vegetables as they taste really good. You can see these roasted peanuts can be crushed easily. Try to keep them chunky just like this. Take 1 tablespoon of desi ghee and wait until it's a little hot. Sabudana khichdi usually remains very sticky, but using desi ghee instead of the normal cooking oil helps in reducing that. Add your ginger along with the green chilies, 1 teaspoon of jeera and a few curry leaves. Mix all of this with your desi ghee and let them roast for about 30 seconds. Once they are roasted a little and start giving great aroma, add your potatoes. Make sure your potatoes are cut into small pieces, otherwise they are going to take a little longer. We have to fully cook these potatoes before we add the sabudana here. Now add your crushed peanuts along with your potatoes. Adding peanuts at this stage will ensure that they are soft. In order to quickly cook these, you can cover the pan and let them cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Just keep an eye on your potatoes and ensure that they are not sticking to the pan. After a while, you can check if they are soft. Once they are, it's time to add the sabudana. Now we will add some spices. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a light pinch of red chili powder, which you can increase if you are not using the green chilies, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. Mix all of these spices really well with your sabudana. Ensure that every pearl of your sabudana is coated with the spice. And now comes the important part. I will add 1 more tablespoon of desi ghee at this stage. Adding ghee now will ensure that the sabudana is non-sticky. Sabudana usually gets very sticky once it's cooked, and this extra ghee will prevent that. If you are calorie conscious or don't like the flavor of too much ghee, or if you don't care about the sticky sabudana, you can just skip it. Personally, I always like the flavor of ghee in my food, so I won't mind adding a few more calories to my meal. Just mix it really well and cover it for around 4 to 5 minutes. The best way to identify your sabudana is well cooked is by seeing its color. It will change to translucent once it's cooked, and you can see it's almost ready. Add a pinch of sugar and half a lemon. Both of these will give a very lively taste to your recipe, and with this your sabudana khichdi is fully ready. You can see this sabudana is so fluffy and not sticky, not even a bit. So follow the recipe just like I have made and enjoy it. You can garnish it with some fresh cilantro. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts on this recipe. You can check out other recipes here, and I will see you in another video.